this video, we will learn how to change the font of text in Canva. Let's start by adding some text to our design. On the left-hand side, click on the Text tab and choose a default text style, such as add a heading. This will add text to your document. To change the font, simply select the text and then go to the font name at the top. By clicking on the drop-down arrow, you will see a wide range of font options. You can browse through document fonts and recommended fonts, or use the search box to find specific styles. Once you find a font you like, simply click on it to apply. There are visual indicators to help you choose from the hundreds of available fonts. If you are looking for a specific style like a bold font, you can filter the results accordingly. That's it. Thank you for watching.